The tornado impacted our community at 11:40. On Friday, at the end of the school day, we wrapped up the school day pretty well, as we do most Fridays, eager to get out and get our weekend started. But we knew there were some forecasts for some pretty severe weather coming our way. So we were already alert to some of those predictions. And so the team discussed who was going to be keeping a close eye on those things as those evening hours started approaching. We were watching the storm coverage on the TV there at home, my husband and I, and we knew that it was approaching and getting closer and closer, but then not just on the TV, we could hear that something was coming. This one just felt different. We knew something was different about this one. The damage to the school, it was devastating. It was really difficult to see things broken, disarray, and all of that through the lens of having to see it with a flashlight. Not being able to see the whole high school and make an assessment, because I could just see bits and parts as I would shine a flashlight on it. It was heart-wrenching to say that what had stood there for so long and had been so strong had really taken a significant hit. But to make an assessment, that was hard to decide how bad is it, because I couldn't really even see it until the sun started coming up, and then we could kind of stand out above and look out across campus as the sun came up, and we could see, across the football field, across campus. We could start to take in and realize that every building had been affected.
The day after the tornado, I remember getting to school and parking. I had my son with me, kind of coming over the hill there in front of the old senior high and what's now our temporary facility, and just seeing all of the debris laying out everywhere, and almost immediately things felt more real than they had prior. We'd had phone conversations and text messages that, hey, this is down, there's damage to this part of the building, we can't get in there. And so the reality slowly started to creep in that we were going to need to do things differently. So within just a few hours, met up with the entire administrative team, and we started looking at essentials. Very first thing that my high school administrative team did was we started contacting all of our staff, kind of checking in, making sure everyone was safe on that end. What did they need? And then we started putting together contact plans for all of my teachers to reach out to students in their advisory classes, saying what do they need, anything from clothes to food to transportation, just kind of a full-scale outreach to check on the people first. Once we miraculously found out that everyone was okay, a lot of things lost, we started thinking about how to get back to school.
We have walls that are completely separating away from the floor. The steel structure attachment and all of that's been compromised because of the tornado coming through. Talking with those professionals after they do those assessments, as far as, can we fix it? That's not an area that we can fix. That's not an area that can be repaired. It's gonna have to be replaced. Walls, sheetrock, plaster, all of it had to go. Once we started tearing walls out, that's when we noticed there were cracks in the block walls that the sun was shining through. And those cracks just keep getting worse. So there was a lot of damage to that high school, that gymnasium area, that we didn't realize right after the storm. It took a while, and it took that remediation and cleaning and tearing out and pulling stuff out of storage that had been there for a long time just to realize the extent of the damage structurally.
Well before the tornado ever hit, our facilities were in need of updating. This tornado, as much as it's taken away from us, it has given us an opportunity to build a new high school with enhanced learning spaces, with academic spaces, with sports complexes that reflect the pride of Perry County. We're given the chance to give our students something that prior to this was just a hope for down the line sometime. And so we've lost things, but we stand to gain a lot.
The tornado took down walls. It tore off roofs, blew out windows, but it didn't take the spirit out of our people. It made us stronger.
For more information, scan our QR code or visit the district webpage. Thank you.